Today I will show you how to set up Streamer.bot. You may have known that I made the same video a few months ago, but it's 2025 by the time you're watching this video, so you all need a tutorial. So let's get into it. First, go to the link, then press the big button here. Then go to your downloads in File Explorer, right click the Streamer.bot.zip file and click extract. Then find Streamer.bot.exe and double click it. It will bring up a warning. Just press more info and click run app. When Streamer.bot is open, go to the Stream Apps tab and click OBS. Now right click anywhere on the white blank canvas and click add. Give it a name like Cute Ocean. Don't name it that, that's creepy. Now Streamer.bot will need to get access to your OBS setup by using something called WebSocket Server. So go to your OBS studio, then click Tools, then click WebSocket Server Settings, then click the top Enable button, then click Generate Password, then click Apply. Then click Show Contact Information and copy your webhook IP address and your password. Then go back to Streamer.bot and paste your webhook IP address and your password into these two fields. Click Auto Connect and Auto Connect on Disconnect. That means that you don't have to do this every time you want to open up Streamer.bot. Oh yeah, forgot to say, right click on your go to your connection, right click it and press connect, and it should say connected here, and it should show all your scenes and sources, all that stuff. I forgot to record that part, and I forgot to put that in my script. So yeah. Now go to the platforms tab, then Twitch, then accounts, then click this button and sign into your account and agree to the connection forms. You guys might be thinking, will Streamer.bot steal my information? No, they won't, because I've been using their platform for almost 2 years and they won't steal your information, I promise. Then click Auto Connect and click Save. Now you're done setting up Streamer.bot. Thank you so much for watching this video. If it was helpful, hit the like and subscribe buttons. I stream 3 nights a week on Twitch and here on YouTube. Days and times are displayed on screen. Again, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you on Wednesday.